Hello friends, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Obi Nekpa from Ultimate Digitals. Um, I welcome you once again. So if this is your first time of watching my channel, here on my channel I teach how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and the professional way, not just to be scamming and spamming people. We teach how to make money legitimately. So in this video you are going to watch how you can create a YouTube channel in less than 10 minutes. If this is your first time of watching my video, I want you to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so that you can always get all my updates whenever I drop quality videos like this. So without wasting time, let's jump in and see how it's being done. One more thing, if you have any question, anything that is bothering you that you don't understand, either here from this video or from any other of my tutorials, drop it in the comment section and I will respond to it as much as I can. So let's get started. So I'm going to open a new tab so that we can start afresh, because I want to believe that many people that will be watching this video are just beginners. So I'm going to open here and select YouTube. So let's wait while the YouTube page is loading. So here it has loaded. I select this button here, click create a channel. This is number one step to starting a YouTube channel. So I'm going to enter my name, so I simply click create a channel. So let's wait and see while our YouTube is being created. Boom. So you can see my channel has been created fresh and direct in less than 2 or 3 minutes. So you can see my name, no subscriber yet. Then I can go ahead and start customization. What are the other things you may need to add to your YouTube channel? You can add about. Then if you have videos, you can start uploading. If you have videos here, you can click on upload. So that is how to create a YouTube channel in less than 5 minutes. So friends, I believe you got a benefit from this video. Now if you have gotten any benefits, I want you to subscribe to this channel so that you can always get quality content like this whenever I drop videos. And if you have any question or anything that you may want me to talk about or share, then drop it in the comment section and I'll be glad to um, answer you. So that's it friends. So if you have anything that you want to find out, just let me know in the comment section and I will be glad to respond to it. So see you in the next video.